Mind today, there is a chance for more thunderstorms, and a reminder that lightning can strike as far away as 10 miles from a thunderstorm. So even if you don't hear that thunder or lightning directly over you, it's a good idea to be weather aware of what's happening in the vicinity so you know whether thunderstorms are nearby. So we've got that chance for at least some thunderstorms across our state today, but we're also talking more heat in your most accurate forecast, with temperatures starting to trend back up and into the hundreds again starting today. Those storm chances will also increase even further as we go into later this week. Let's talk first temperatures, though. As you step outside, we're running about 5 to 10 degrees warmer across central and southern Arizona than we were at this time yesterday. So that means not seeing as many 70s and seeing some 80s out there here to start the day. And that does include at Phoenix Sky Harbor, where we're at 82 degrees. It's in the upper 60s in Sedona, 70 in Kingman. That temperature right now 86 at Lake Havasu. And Show Low, good morning. You're checking in the upper 50s. You'll notice more 80s than 70s. Not that we won't see a few more 70s here as that temperature drops a little further, but again, we're at 82 right now in Tempe, 77 in Chandler, Glendale checking in at 80, Laveen right at 80 degrees, and Deer Valley, you're checking in at 82. And now 80 degrees, or 80 as well, I should say. Phoenix Sky Harbor right in the low 80s, and I do think we're going to dip down to about 80 degrees, but that's as low as we're going to go. So again, I don't think we're going to see as many 70s this morning, and the warm up is going to be a little faster because again today we're heading back into the hundreds. So that puts us at about 90 degrees by 9 a.m. Low 90s through 10 o'clock and then into the upper 90s by lunchtime, with temperatures reaching the triple digits this afternoon. But watch this, that 30-year average is 106. So even though we're going to make it into the hundreds today, it's still going to be a little bit below the normal high for this time of year. Apache Junction hits 100 today, 103 in Gilbert. We'll make it to 103 in Tempe, 102 in Laveen, and Surprise up to 102 degrees today, with Anthem topping out in the upper 90s. Sedona into the 90s. Kingman reaches the 90s. The hottest spots, western Arizona, just shy of 110 today at Lake Havasu, with upper 70s today for Flagstaff, 91 today in Globe. Phoenix today again topping out at 103, putting us 3 degrees below the normal high for this time of year, and luckily well away from that record, which sits at 118. Now, if you are going to be venturing outside, we are under an air quality alert. So if you have any breathing sensitivities, you may want to consider limiting your time outdoors, especially during the afternoon hours. Ozone pollution is going up because we're going to see a little bit more sunshine today, and that's going to allow for that ozone buildup, and it could reach unhealthy levels for sensitive groups. Keep in mind that we see our highest ozone concentrations in the afternoon hours. Today, a high pollution advisory. Tomorrow, a high pollution watch that could be upgraded to an advisory, and then air quality looking to improve later this week as we see rain chances go up across our state. Right now on Desert Doppler radar, we're waking up to mostly clear skies statewide, dry conditions, clear here in the valley. A reminder though, even though it's not raining, we do still have flood warnings for spots around the Tonto Basin and also this area just west of I-10 south of Arizona City. These flood warnings indicating that washes are still flowing and there's likely some flooding in the area that you'll want to be careful with. 103 for a high today, a 10% chance of an isolated storm here in the valley today. Tomorrow that trend continues with an isolated storm possible and it gets a little hotter, but then those storm chances go up Thursday and Friday especially, and temperatures will be dropping into the low hundreds, right near 100 in fact, through the weekend.